So, just got back from a little trip to Jersey. Of course, all the car parts are in Jersey. I finally got a Vertex style bumper for the 32. Been looking for one for so long, and I think it's better than Vertex style. It might be the real deal. I gotta check it out. There's a sticker in there somewhere, but today, this place just looks so sick every time I walk in. I love it. All the display case and everything, all the cool stuff from Japan. I'm gonna try to remake. So here's the new S13 style cup holder, and I love this. I think it's like perfect finish. I just want to make it like a little bit thicker. It's actually really durable as it is, but I'm gonna do this kind of the same thing for the S14 center console. God, I didn't realize how bright this light was. Before I start scanning Johnny's S14 console, definitely got to grab a coffee because I'm pretty beat from driving. UCC for the win. And yes, my toolbox has a fridge in it and a sound system. So I'm trying to make this piece by the end of the day after scanning it. I'm pretty sure I could make this cup holder like around an hour. Scanner won't pick up anything super shiny, so you kind of have to dull it with something. Usually use the literally just foot spray, but you can use wax that gets foggy, and then this way it won't refract that light everywhere and the scanner will pick it up. Just kind of rub this everywhere. I only need the top area, so that'll be kind of useful. Here's the previous cup holder out of resin. So that's a solid resin one, and that was like the coolest one, but if they have any hollow gaps, that resin might leak out, and so that was an issue. Ready to start scanning. Hopping in. And it's kind of tough to be in two places at once, but it is picking up, so that's good. So for now, this is all I need on this thing. Do some work in CAD. I have the S14 center console top area lined up in here, and this is the S13 cup holder. So this is a UCC coffee from Japan. This can is like perfect fit. Here's a regular can, and here's a slim can. So I think I'm gonna make a slim can slot and probably one this big, because it's nice to be able to fit Japanese coffee and a regular can. So I think it's gonna sit about here when it's in the center console. Essentially, out of my scan, I'm able to get two pieces like this that fit right inside. So now we have this curve that fits here, and I'm going to blend those together nicely. I have a section analysis here where I'm checking to see how much room I have. So it looks like we're pressed against the edges, so I'll probably make that a little bit smaller, but I guess that's close enough to figure out what's really going on when we try to fit this thing in. Now I have something that resembles solid in here. And what's really important in the scan is sometimes I'll accidentally draw a box too big, sometimes I do it on purpose, but you can see here that we got to bring this edge in because it's going to touch. So super useful to have the scanner for things like this, especially since this curves in. Okay, gonna measure our cans. Let's see what's up. So we want a little extra room here, wiggle room. We got 2.3 for a slim can. All right, and I can move this back and forth as needed. Probably there's good. And here's the start of our cup holder. 2.65. Somewhere around here, 2.65. Cut through our print. Okay, cup holder is basically all set. What up? How's it going?
Where's this bumper?
Who?
The bumper?
Oh, it's in the car.
Oh, you didn't even take it
Yeah,
out
what's
yet?
up? How you doing? Chilling?
Dude.
Look at this guy.
Yo, Johnny, look, I want to show you something. Oh, I already lost it.
Dude.
Oh, I know I did. Bang! Revive.
Oh, Gonna see what a quick prototype of this does. See how it fits in. So I'll definitely be printing another one. So I think it's like maybe an 1/8 inch and maybe a 16th inch. But honestly, pretty good. Wow, this thing looks sick. Fits good. Fits good.
What's up, man?
Yeah, what's up with that?
I'm gonna swap those out.
Sounds good.
Should be super easy.
We're gonna go check this tune.
Oh, hell yeah. Can you
Take a rip.
switch for me, please?
Yeah. Pretty pumped to see how this is gonna work. Maybe an 1/8 or a 16th on the back side, that's it.